Welcome to the welding program at Northeast Tech's Pryor campus. This program gives students the opportunity to delve both into the technical skill and steady hand required to succeed in one of today's most in-demand trades. Using industry-standard tools and equipment, students gain experience in multiple welding processes, including stick, MIG, TIG, and flux-cord arc welding, as well as cutting techniques that prepare them for real-world job site demands. Students don't just learn how to weld, they learn safety, how to problem solve, work with precision, and apply their skills to a variety of materials and settings. From structural and plate welding to pipe welding, each project builds confidence and skill, preparing students to step into careers where accuracy, craftsmanship, and safety are essential. Upon completion, students are prepared for career opportunities as combo welders, fabricators, fitters, cutting table operators, and multi-process welders across industries like construction, manufacturing, and agriculture. Forge your future and enroll in Northeast Tech Pryor's welding program today.